Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video, I've made some notes here just to explain it, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Pokemon Go coins for free. These are free Pokecoins, and you can get 10,000 for completely free. Now, admittedly, I do not play Pokemon Go, but I had hundreds of people messaging me to try and find a working method to get free coins in Pokemon Go. And I have successfully done so. And this is a simple promo code that you can enter in. If you go to the shop on the Pokemon Go app and scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to find a field where you can enter in a promotions code. And yeah, this is what this code is, and you can enter this code and it's going to credit your Pokemon Go account 10,000 Pokecoins for completely free. So let me show you guys how you can go about getting your personal code. So I'm going to be recording my screen, putting it here as per usual. So you can see, guys, you need to open up an internet browser on your mobile phone and go to this website, guys. So make sure you copy this website exactly how I'm going to type it here. www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to look for topdogcodes.com, and this is the website you need to navigate your way to. Now, this website has lots and lots of stuff on, so obviously it's going to be fairly difficult to manually look for the Pokemon Go page. So you can hit the search bar at the top and just type in Pokemon and it should just pop up like so. Pokemon Go, free, Pokecoins, and more. So open that page up. Scroll down. You can see these coupons are limited, but there's a ton of them, and I've yet to see Top Dog Codes ever run out of coupons. And you can see there are a couple of different codes, but we're interested for this video in the 10,000 free Pokecoins promo code. And you can see this has been verified 1 day ago, so it's been used very recently, and it's been used hundreds and thousands of times. You can see it's been rated 5 stars, so it's guaranteed to be working for you. So click on show code, and you can see this is 10,000 free Pokecoins promo code. And you can see it says Poke here, and there's a bunch of stars, basically because these codes are protected to stop robots from stealing them. So we need to unlock your personal code. So tap on unlock code. Now this next step takes a few minutes, so make sure you pay attention because this is important to unlock your code. And you're going to see the screen hit. Basically, guys, you need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your free coins code. So you can see it says we need to complete 2 of the tasks below. And this will basically verify you as a real person, not a robot. And you can see I have a list of tasks here. These tasks range from answering some quick, easy questions, to downloading and playing free games. You just have to choose 2 of them. And it is a, sort of description below the task on how to complete it. So this Family Island one is a free game, and it says download, then complete level 8. And then you got, for example, sort of these survey type ones where you just have to answer some questions and input a valid email address. And they're all completely free. And they only take a few minutes to complete. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks. So this one I'll need to download the game and then play until level 8. And then I'll do a second one as well. So let me pause the video, and it'll probably take me 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so that took me around 5 minutes, and I had to basically, as you saw, downloaded that game, and then I just went ahead and played it until I got to level 8. That's a pretty fun game. And then I went ahead and completed this one at the top where I just had to enter in my email and answer some questions. If you choose to do the surveys, it's important you input your valid information, because obviously this does verify you as a real person. So anyway, you're going to get slightly different tasks depending on your country, but they all pretty much the same process. Just follow the instructions, and then once you've done those, hit your tabs. And if you've completed 2 tasks correctly, it should now have unlocked your Pokemon Go free coins code. So you can see the tab down on the left here. click on that, and there's my code. So this code I can then go ahead and copy, and like I said, you can enter it in the redeem code box at the bottom of the Pokemon Go shop in the app, and it's gonna credit you, in this case 10,000 free Pokecoins. And that is how easy it is. These codes are one-time use, so I'm gonna be using this in a minute. So this will be invalid by the time I upload this video, so you're gonna need to go to topdogcodes.com and yeah, get your free coins in Pokemon Go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if I helped you get your free coins, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Damn.